Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the second line we have device type. You need to click at this line. And in this window select Headphone by just tap on them. So we just set device type, and if I go back you can see that this device use Headphone device type. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!